Hello everyone, hope you're doing great. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how to fix black screen issue in your device Samsung S20 and S20 Plus. So if you're having any problem like white screen and grayscale screen issue in your device Samsung S20 and S20 Plus, you can fix it by following a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon so you are the first one to know when I upload anything new. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can fix white screen, black screen and grayscale screen issue in your device.